Hello, welcome back to day 2 of 21 Days Speaking English Challenge. So, today let's learn a vocabulary. As you all know, vocabulary are the main part of speaking English. When you're trying to speak, we need to know words. Sometimes we feel we stuck when we're trying to say something, but you don't know what to say and what the perfect word for this sentence. So I decided that today I practice vocabulary, and the words are not I don't want to learn those words alone, because words we don't learn much words with one go, or we can't learn all those words word by word. So I decided to use these words into sentence and then try to learn, and it will be helpful for you also to learn these sentences. So when you know how to use those words into sentences, that will improve your sentence framing. Also, it will improve how you will use those words into your sentences. So let's learn this vocabulary, just frame this into sentence, and I try to learn the structure or pattern, so to understand and to practice and to speak with those sentences. First, it slipped my mind. Oh no, I don't, it doesn't slipped my mind, or I don't means it's मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया. No, abhi this time I know what do what I need to supposed to need to explain you, and what I'm trying to practice. But the sentences which I told you that it slipped my mind, which mean मेरे दिमाग से फिसल गई चीज़, यानी कि कुछ चीज़ चल रही थी दिमाग में, something, some words are or some things are running into your mind, but it slipped or randomly or like that, so it slipped my mind. The word is vocabulary, slipped my mind. So you use this word into the sentence. So it's slipped my mind. Second, you took my words. Yes, you took my words, whatever I'm trying to say. So someone is just when you talk with someone, and he or she just say whatever you want to say on in next, so they take your words. So you should say that time, like, you took my words, that whatever I wanted to say, this word or things you say, uh, that I want to say to you. So you took my word. This is what I wanted to say. This is what I wanted to say. यही मुझे कहना था. This I wanted to say. What's new? What's new? If you going somewhere and you say like, yes, this is the start. So you should say what's new, and it is for real. सच में ऐसा है. Is this real? When you talk someone and they say that, yeah, the something has happened there, so you should say, you can say it like that, that is it is for real. सच में ऐसा है, that's happened with him or her, or that's happened there, so it is for real. So you can say it as these sentences are in you can use in your daily conversation. So move out of my way. So you can say when someone is come into your path and they're just trying to stop you, so you can say it as, you move out of my way, move out of my way, move out of my way, move out of my way. Don't freak out. Freak means gussa aana. You anger someone, you just hesitate by someone's action, you feel angry when someone is trying to bother you or something like that. You frustrated and you said, don't freak out. Means you say to other that they are anger on you, so you should say that, don't freak out, gussa mat karo, don't freak out. So far so good. If someone asks you about how are you doing, and how your life going on, how do you do in these days, what are you doing, so you should say, so far so good. अभी तक सब ठीक चल रहा है. So far so good. So far so good. It's very natural you remembered, or you just write it down to use it in further use. Then I will be right back. I will be right back. So tomorrow I'll be right back. So tomorrow I will be right back. So all sentences I'll share, remaining sentences I will share tomorrow. So for today, bye, and see you on next video.